So there you go, guys. It's one of my smaller accounts. As you can see, things are working out very, very nicely. Yep. We are about to close, getting closer to my target, which is 850. And yeah, it's bouncing up and down. I might just close earlier. So we'll see what happens. Let me just pump up the jam here, maybe. Let me just pump up the jam here, guys. Let me just rock it up to. Let me take it up to 20 leverage. I'm gonna squeeze out that extra bit of. Now those are the alerts right now. I wasn't at my computer for like 2 hours, and all of a sudden I got this alert, and I jumped up, man. I said I jumped like crisscross jump. And that's the power of alerts, right? So you can go around, do your own things. Just stay close to your computer, especially if you're on a, high risk trade or a high leverage trade. Like this trade was important to me. And I lower the leverage when I'm away from my computer, because things can change in a split second on Bitmex. And if you're not near your computer in that split second, man, you are dead in the water. You can get liquidated like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, so guys, this is powerful stuff. I'm loving it. It's making a couple loads of money. So right now I'm on about 7,000 profit, I think. Yeah, looking to cross that barrier. Looking to cross that barrier. Yep. Okay, it's looking good, people. It's looking good. I'm loving it. Loving it. Yeah, taking about 30,000 now. It's gonna be, if I close this one, it's gonna be about 42,000 rand profit today. It's not bad, not bad, not bad at all. So about 6,000 now, 6,800 profit. Alright guys, let me get this thing sorted. I'll be back. Alright guys, so we're about to close here. We're about to close. Just checking out 570057. Come on, I want to close at 8,000. I'm getting impatient here. I want to grab this money, man, and get back into the market. I've been waiting out this particular trade for forever. Excuse me. It's taking forever. It's taking its own sweet time, and I wanna shut it down and get to the next one. I want to shut it down, get to the next trade. It's taking forever, man. Come on. Come on, come on. Guys, we're waiting to breach 8,000. As soon as it does, I am closing my orders. I'm closing them in part. So, just want to show you what's going on here. It's just taking forever, man. It's taking forever to close. Like, I'm already on 14% ROE. It's not much. It's like, like I said, it's scalping. Normally I'm on 742%, right? I got my next alert. So I'm just waiting for it to close now. And that's about struggling to close. I think I'm just going to close it, guys. I'm going to close this. I can't wait anymore. Let me just close. Boom and boom. I'm out. I'm out. And I made myself. That was 0.05. Let me tell you how much I made. So that's how much I've made so far today. So I just closed this one now at 0.055. And that's my last one for today. I think maybe I'll do 2 more before I go to bed. 6,300 made. So that's 35,000 rand. Thank you very much. I haven't broken my record yet of 50, but I will. Maybe today still. We'll see. Cheers, guys.